Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we provide you with the best home decor ideas. Today, we're going to discuss open concept kitchen living room ideas that will transform your home into a warm and inviting space. With an open concept layout, you can create a functional and stylish living space that is perfect for entertaining guests, spending time with family, and simply enjoying life. So, without further ado, let's dive into some incredible open concept kitchen living room ideas that you can incorporate in your home. That's it for today's video on open concept kitchen living room ideas. We hope you found these ideas helpful and inspiring. Remember, with an open concept layout, the possibilities are endless. So, be creative, experiment with different designs, and create a space that reflects your personal style. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home decor ideas, and we'll see you in the next one.